Namaskar. You see, although aging is a natural process, how do you age is in our hand. And what we eat plays a big role in keeping us young and vibrant. Some foods help in maintaining elasticity of skin and ensure that organs function better. There is one such food which is beetroot. Today I am going to give you two special recipes which you should include in your diet. Beetroot has antioxidants, essential vitamins and minerals. So it purifies your blood and reduces oxidative stress, which is actually one major cause of premature aging. Beetroot increases nitric oxide level, which helps better movement of blood and oxygen flow in your body. This is how you get a glowing skin and better stamina if you eat beetroot regularly. Now let's come to a recipe. Our first recipe is beetroot and pomegranate smoothie. This smoothie is full of nutrients that boost blood circulation and reduces wrinkle. Here you will need 1 small beetroot boiled and chopped, half a cup pomegranate seeds, 1 tablespoon chia seed or flax seed, half a cup of coconut water, half teaspoon ginger grated, 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Simply blend all the ingredients until it is smooth and drink it fresh. Pomegranate and beetroot are rich in polyphenol and vitamin C. These two things help repair any skin damage you may have due to advancing age. Our second recipe for today is Beetroot Moong Dal Soup. This is a warm and comforting soup which has lots of protein, iron and antioxidants that can improve your muscle tone and skin elasticity. For this, take half a cup of yellow moong dal. Soak it for 30 minutes. 1 small beetroot chopped, half teaspoon cumin seed, 1 inch ginger grated, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 cups water, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, coriander leaves for garnish. Start by cooking moong dal and beetroot with water in a pressure cooker for 3 whistles. Cool it a bit and then blend it into a smooth soup. Heat a pan, add cumin seed, ginger and turmeric and saute it. Then pour the blended soup, add lemon juice and serve warm. Moong dal is wholesome because it provides plant-based protein which keeps your skin firm, and beetroot cleanses your blood, and this gives you a healthy natural glow. These recipes will surely nourish you from within. And now I will give you some holistic suggestions to keep yourself lively and energetic as you grow older. Drink sufficient water to flush out toxins and maintain skin moisture. Practice yoga asanas and pranayama to reduce stress and reduce the sign of aging. Include colorful fruits for nutrient-rich diet. Since growth and repair happen mostly during sleep, try to get good restful sleep every night. Spend time in nature, meditate and surround yourself with positivity. Aging gracefully is about nourishing your body, calming your mind and keeping your spirit alive. So, consciously choose food that heals and rejuvenate. Begin with beetroot and you will notice a difference. Namaskar.